I'm really thankful, and it is indeed a pleasure for me to have been here, and I thank the Horticultural Society of Pakistan who have invited me to be the chief guest of this function. It is really a pleasure to be in here, a function which is also one of my dreams. This function, the society intends to inculcate the habit of nurturing flowers in their nurseries, in their gardens, and that is what my aim was when I became Nazim of Karachi. When I was elected Nazim of Karachi, it was my vision that I must make Karachi a clean city and a green city. And with that purpose in mind, I started the campaign of Cleaner and Greener Karachi. Unfortunately, in the beginning, my Cleaner Karachi campaign would not take off because I was told by the town Nazmeen that the vehicles which are used in cleaning the city, 75% of them were almost unserviceable. Thereafter, we invested a lot of money and we gave about 2 million rupees to the towns for purchasing new vehicles and for repairing the vehicles which are unserviceable. And thereafter, when the vehicles were purchased and repaired, we started the Cleaner Karachi campaign, and I am very much thankful to the town Nazmeen and to the people of Karachi that that campaign has been successful. Now, I have also tried to make Karachi greener. In most of the towns of Karachi, if you go and see, my learned friend has invited you to visit the botanical garden of the Defence Housing Authority, and I, as City Nazim, would invite you to visit a number of towns where the town Nazmeen have started beautifying their towns. And I think if you go there and see the method in which they are trying to beautify the towns, you will be happy, and you will be happy also to visit the Botanical Garden of Housing Authority and also the towns of the Karachi city.